Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how you can easily add contacts in WhatsApp, namely create them. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. The first way we can do it. It's just through our phone, the standard app that we use to make calls. Go here. Click on Contacts. In the upper right corner, click on the plus sign. Here we put the person's first name, put the person's last name. And then we go down. Click Add Phone. Add phone number. Then we press Save, and the number is saved. And the second way is to log out. Go to WhatsApp. Then click on Chats. In the top right corner, click on Add. Here click on New Contact. Here we enter the person's first name. Also enter the last name. Choose the region. And click Mobile, and enter the phone number. After that, we click Save. In this simple way, you can easily add and create WhatsApp contacts. If you liked and helped this video, subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.